stock market is now down 21%.
Because we're now down 43%.
What in the world is happening on Wall Street? This week, U.S. investment bank Lehman Brothers collapsed.
Does this mean the end of the Eurozone debt crisis? Earlier, I spoke to one of the architects of that bank.
Global economy in the world lame because of the crisis in United States and Europe. This crisis began in US as the center of economy global because of housing credit crisis in that country. This is related with property sector, include ownership home credit. That gave easiness for creditor. There is many money institution credit property providers in United States distribute credit for citizens that actually not proper to have it.
Start from 2001, when the Federal Reserve System as a central bank, US lowering the interest rates to 1%. As a result, many people want to get a credit from the bank. After that, Lehman Brothers, as the biggest investigation bank in US, seen the case as an advantage. In 2004, Federal Reserve System raised the interest rate. This policy used to counter inflation and give an impact to credit lending. So many people can't pay the loan. The effect makes conditions in US like a bubble and makes supply and demand curves are broken.
And in 2008, Lehman Brothers as a bank collapsed as the biggest bank in the United States. Then, this situation triggered bad credit case staggered in the property sectors, as known as subprime mortgage, who evicted the domino effect that leads to bankruptcy of several financial institutions in the United States. It caused financial institution property usually borrow short-term fund from other side that guarantee that financing institution given is bonds like subprime mortgage securities that sold infestation in many countries. That bonds not sustained with debitor guarantee that have ability to pay credit cited properly.
Traders are standing there watching in amazement, and I don't blame them.
We're now down.
With credit property arrears, financing institutions can fulfill their obligation to money institutions. Also, investment bank event management assets. That situation make many institutions get threatened to bankruptcy. Global economy got slowed down because that economic shock, especially in trading and financial. After that, this impact spread then attacked another country in the world like Europe, such as Greece, Ireland, Portugal, and Spain. The effect felt to Asia too, which is Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, China, India, and also Indonesia.
Imagine the American economy is an economic train moving down a track that has no ending.
It was one of the most profound events in generations with huge consequences for the American economy and households throughout the country. This was the time a decade ago when the financial crisis erupted, a crash that most experts did not foresee. Its effects and of the recession that followed on income, wealth, inequality, and our politics are still with us.
In a sense, in the case, there are have positive and negative impact for Indonesia. The positive impact is Indonesia get a benefit from large enough foreign flows that can be invested in the dream of folios. Also, stock exchange company get a positive because of increase in foreign return or devisa. A negative impact investment in alternative fund is only concentrated on old assets or search due to concentrate on the flow of foreign fund, the decrease of rupiah against the dollar, liquidity difficulty in the Bank of Indonesia.